What happens is that when there is something easily achievable, easily basically reachable, something that I'll give you an example, like something that a middle class, lower middle class, and upper middle class, basically everybody can afford, there will be basically a huge crowd for that thing, because it is basically achievable, and it won't create much value. For example, if something that is basically the example thing, if you have it, I won't be fascinated by you having it, because I know it is easy to achieve, and I can also go to the market and get it in seconds, because it is easily reachable. But for the next moment, if there is something like some expensive thing, or something that is not easily achievable, and if you have it, I will be going crazy for that. And if the expensive thing is sitting right there, thinks, why do people don't come to me, and next to me is there the thing where people are coming in such bulk, isn't that a stupid question? That's just like not knowing your exact value. You have lost people because your value increased. You have lost people because you became more and more difficult to achieve. And that is not a wrong thing. I'm going to tell you this, because you need to have uh, good quality of people rather than quantity of people around you. So if you're losing people, if people are basically leaving you and moving forward, trust me, you have something better building in you. That is why everybody, because somebody who is praising everybody who's coming to them. I have seen people like that. Whenever somebody calls them like, yeah, yeah, you're correct, you're right, and this is right, whatever you do fits, whatever you do is right, people call them. So many people call them. They talk to them as. And I have seen people who don't validate wrong things, who don't talk about wrong things, or who don't listen to wrong perspective. People don't speak up to them. If that person thinks, "Ki, why do people don't speak up to them? Is that the right question to ask? They should know that they have the right value inculcated in them, or they have made themselves of the right value. They are an asset now. Not everybody can reach them. So if you think that you're losing friends and that's because your fault, yes, it is. You are growing, you're becoming better, and you're becoming less achievable, which is more and more great. Can you achieve Can you basically go and talk to your idol right now? No, you can't. He or she is not easily basically reachable. That is what is happening with you, or you are becoming something great, something bigger. So don't care if you lose people. The rocket, when it goes to the atmosphere, and slowly when leaves the layers of the atmosphere, it loses its spark, becomes extremely light in order to reach the highest point. So that is what happening. Don't bother yourself by that. A king is not bothered and doesn't concern himself by the opinions of the small animals in the forest. This might sound egoistic, but you need to have the positive ego. If somebody comes out to you for help, you do help. I'm not saying you need to be like, I'm not reachable kind of a thing. I don't want that attitude. That is not what we're talking about. We are talking about how difficult it is to be not easily reachable, so that people think twice before wasting your time and going to you to talk to you. Okay, so don't worry, you are going to become something bigger than you think, and you are on your way. Thank you.